In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new invoice. To get started, open the business section of your system and go to Invoices. This is the main area where you can view existing invoices, track their status, and create new ones. Once you're there, look for the option labeled New Invoice and click it to open a blank invoice form. Now you can begin filling in the invoice details. Start with the To field and select the correct contact. This is important because it determines who will receive the invoice and ensures the billing information is linked to the right customer record. After that, enter the invoice date. This is usually the date the invoice is being created. Then fill in the due date, which tells the customer when payment is expected. Make sure this date matches your payment terms so everything stays clear and professional. Next, move down to the item section. Here, choose the item or service you're billing for. Once that's selected, add a description. This should clearly explain what the customer is being charged for. A good description helps avoid confusion and can make the invoice easier for the customer to review and approve on their end. After that, enter the price for the item or service. Double check that the amount is accurate before moving on, then select the appropriate account. This step is important for keeping your records organized since it makes sure the invoice is tied to the correct account in your system. Before approving the invoice, take a moment to quickly review everything you entered. Confirm that the contact is correct, the dates are accurate, the item and description match the work or product being billed, and the price is correct. A quick final check can help prevent mistakes and save time later. When everything looks good, click Approve if you want to finalize the invoice and keep it in the system. If you're ready to send it to the customer right away, click Approve in email instead. That option both approves the invoice and sends it out in one step, which can make the process faster and more efficient. And that's it. Once approved, your invoice is officially created and ready for tracking or payment collection. Follow these same steps anytime you need to create a new invoice, and the process will become quick and routine.